Hello and welcome to the course, English for Real Estate Professionals in Spain. I'm Shala, your English coach, and I'm so excited to help you feel more confident using English in your career. In this course, you'll learn the exact vocabulary, phrase, and communication skills you need to confidently work with international English-speaking clients, whether you're showing a property, explaining contracts, or following up after a sale. Work through the videos and the PDF exercises at your own pace. And if you've purchased the premium package, we'll also meet in live sessions to practice your skills in real time. Also in our live sessions, you're welcome to bring any questions or concerns you might have from your real experiences as a real estate professional here in Spain. So let's get started and take your real estate English to the next level.